What's up, YouTube? I've had some comments on my other video on how to hook up the Amazon phone cam, the cheap one, to the Harbor Freight pressure washer. And I'm here to do a little video to show how I can, well, not how I connected it, but to show the connections. In those videos, in one of the videos, I have a link to where you buy the adapter. This will fit in the Pacific Hydro Star. I think it's 1650 psi. This little connector, this adapter, and what I did, this part here, the phone cannon itself, it came with the quick release um connection right here where this brass piece is. So I twisted that out, went to Home Depot. I found this. This is like a 1/4, I think 1/4 thread or inch. I don't know exactly. I just took this whole assembly there and tried on the different pieces, and I found this one. I threw away the packet, but it shouldn't be too hard to find it out there. It's in there. The threads, like plumbing and piping and all of that. It took me like 2 minutes just trying different ones on, and I found it. But yeah, you get that with a little bit of thread locker tape and put it on this part because this it'll seal fine to here. You can put a little bit on there if you need to. It ain't needed, but the part where you need to put is the right part for where the adapter goes. And yeah, you connect that up. Make sure you have like a wrench or something. I did it by hand and they had leaks, but once I used a wrench, you hold it right here and wrench that up, twist it. It was good. And it foams up pretty well, as you can see in my other video, the demonstration. Is it like the best or thickest foam? I don't know if it's my pressure washer, but for like the price and to get started, if you just need a detail, you're not willing to pay like $300 for a gas pressure washer. It gets the job to put soap. My bad. It puts soap on the vehicle and foam to lubricate the paint. It helps pulls off dirt. It keeps the car wet. That's the main reason why I use it. The foam helps keep the car wet while you're washing it so that it doesn't dry up, especially on hot summer days. So it works for me. If you're a professional, I don't know if you'll need it, but it's a good way to get started to detailing business. Everything is probably $100 total, so it isn't bad. It's fairly cheap, but that's all.